Hi guys, good evening. I am recording this video around 5:30 p.m. on Saturday, that is weekend. So, welcome guys. So, let's start with the wave analysis on Nifty index and Bank Nifty index. So, we are going to judge the levels and predict what is going to happen next into the index based on wave analysis. Okay. So, here you can see that in this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 has been formed. Okay, so a subdivision of wave 3 is also an impulse which is in a structure of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then here we can see that correction has been started. Okay, so in now what we need to do, we have marked some levels. So if you see 18,000 level is the very important level which Nifty was not able to cross. Then this is the second level. So here impulse of 5 wave action is over. Okay, so this is the first range. Now if we go on and use Fibonacci tool, okay, and let's see, like, correction can extend up to how much level. Okay, so we are getting this level as 38.2% level. It comes around 16,900 and 17,000 odd levels. Okay, so this is the first target which Nifty index can touch in coming weeks. So this target is not for next week only. It can come into the next week as well. So when an impulse is over, we know that correction comes in the form of A, B, C, and when C wave ends here around 17,000 levels, that means some kind of price wise correction is over. What would be left is like time wise correction. So we need to judge when time wise correction will get over. That is the another important point. So daily charts is suggesting that we are in a corrective format. So let's go deep down and let's go to the hourly time frame and see what kind of waves are getting formed. Okay, so as of now, I'll remove this ABC and we'll try to judge what is happening here. If we are going to start mark it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we mark this as 1, this as 2, this as 3, and this as 4, or somewhere this as 5, this can also happen. Okay, so what are the chances of Nifty opening on Monday? So what here we can judge is Nifty should retrace back towards 17,500, 17,600 odd levels. Okay, so let's see how much was the length of this wave C. Okay, or this wave 3. If it is a wave 3, or if it is wave C, we need to measure it. Okay, so let's use Fibonacci extension here. So from here, this is 1, this is 2. From wave 2 we are going to measure. So you can see that if we are marking it as 1, 2, if we are marking it as A, B, C, then this is A, this is B, and this is C. So you can see that kind of that we have completed near-term targets. Down-term targets are completed, which was 17,300. So now I am expecting a retracement towards upside. That would be around 17,600 level, which is 50% retracement mark. And if it goes above that level, what I can expect is it can come around 17,700 levels also. So in this week, maybe for Monday, Tuesday, we are expecting some retracement. So why we are expecting retracement? Because we can see that because wave A and wave C are almost equal. Okay, if in case, if how to identify this is a ABC or it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. Okay, so if we see that subdivision of wave A is also an impulsive structure, if you go down deep down to 15 minutes and if we try to mark A structure, so I can mark this as an impulse, like something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So wave A is the subdivision of wave A is also an impulse. That means wave A we have marked correctly. Okay, and again we are going back to hourly time frame, and if we want to mark, if we want to check how much retracement we have seen in wave B, so we can see that it has retraced to 78.6% retracement level. Okay, so this is an impulse, and then 78.6% retracement has been done, so it is above 61.8% retracement. So there are high chances that instead of marking it as a ABC structure, we can mark it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. 1, 2, 3, somewhere between 4 and 5. 5 can get complete over here if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what next? So as of now, structure is on sell on rise. Even if it is a 1 2 3 4 5 structure, it is a sell on rise structure. So again, we are going to use a retracement over here. So if we see this move, and if for this move, if we see some kind of rejection around 61.8% levels, okay, so then there is a good opportunity, to short. Okay, so I'm not suggesting to buy. I'm just expecting a good bounce to sell, get a good sell position. Okay, so this is based on the waves. Okay, so if we are marking it as a 1 2 3 4 and 5, and assuming that if it is an impulse, so what highly it is, if it is an impulse, okay, I'm telling the rules about impulse. So sorry, yeah. So if it is an impulse, so it should not go beyond 38.2% level. So if you see any kind of rejection from 17,532, 550 odd levels, that means it is an impulse, and you get some kind of rejection price action. Okay, so on the base of price action, you get reversal from here, then you can go on and short, and for a target of for wave 5 targets. Okay, if it is sustaining above 38.2% level, that means if it is sustaining above 17,500, 17,550, sustaining above those levels, that means it is not an impulse. Okay, this is how you are going to identify. So this is kind of a learning for you guys as well, that how to identify it is a ABC correction, or it is a impulsive move. Okay, so if it crosses 38.2% level, that means it is not a impulsive move. On in that case, we need to mark it as ABC only. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so what next? If we are marking it as ABC, then we are going to mark this whole point as W. Okay, and somewhere between X and Y. Okay, so this is so this WXY, as we all know, that is a double correction. Okay, this would come under double correction category. Okay, so ABC, subdivision of W would be an ABC move, then subdivision of X can be a straight move as well. It not necessary that it should be an ABC move. The X move can come straight up. So X can come up to till this point, 17,800 or 900 levels. Okay, X can come till this point anywhere, and on the reversal of X, so when we are able to mark X point, then I am expecting again a ABC structure. If we are able to find X, then A, B, and C, somewhere between this. So that is the expected structure which I'm expecting in Nifty. So for Monday I am bullish, because wave X has to be formed. When wave X is formed, then I will go on and again look for short opportunities in the index for a target of wave Y, which would be in a format of ABC, again similar structure to wave W, because wave Y and wave W are of similar structure, or you can say that it is of same structure. So that would be WXY correction, which is called as double correction. And if you go on to the daily time frame chart again, so this kind of structure is there. Okay, so double correction is kind of a flat correction. Okay, so final target would be same, around 17,000 odd levels. So correction would end near 17,000 odd levels. So if in case, if we are not able to go below 17,000 level, and if we go and if we touch 17,000 level and go above, then we can go on and build some buy positions as well. Okay, if in any case the probability of happening this is more, I would say that probability of happening 17,000 not being broken is 70%. But 20%, I would say that if 17,000 level gets broken, then I would say exit your all cash positions. Also, if you are a trader, you should safeguard your profits. You should put trailing SL as well and book the profits which you are holding, and then look for more short opportunities. Because if 17,000 level gets broken, 38.2% retracement level gets broken, then the open targets would be around till 78.6% level. So if 17,000 gets broken, next target would be around 15,800, 16,000. So 1,000 more downfall is there, but that is only 20%. I am not into that kind of domain, not expecting as of now, because there is no sign that 17,000 level is going to get over. So when WXY correction will get over, again we will review and come back and see what is the structure which is going on into the Nifty index. Okay, so as of now, find that some buying will be seen till wave X, and if you are able to find wave X, then go on and short for a target of 17,000 odd levels. Okay, so you can make a hedge position, you can make a bear put spread or bear call spread position, that is a direction strategy. Okay, so you can use that, and good levels to short would be around 17,700 or 17,600 levels. Okay, so that is my view. Do not make any aggressive bullish positions as well. Let's jump into Bank Nifty as well. Let's see what Bank Nifty is suggesting us. Okay, so what Bank Nifty is suggesting is that, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an impulsive wave structure is getting over. Okay, so there is a confirmation that, you know, if you go on and plot 2 4 trend line, this is 2, this is 4, so there is a confirmation that there, because we have seen a breakdown in 2 4 trend line, that means correction has been started. So that is 100% confirmed that correction has been started. Do not make any aggressive buy positions into banks. Exit from banks. If you have any bounce which is coming in banks, should be sold. Okay, so here you can see that this impulsive move has been over. I have marked it as an A. So this subdivision of wave A is an impulsive move. Then, you know, a retracement of wave B is going on. So this is all based on the daily charts. Okay, so if even if you mark the high and low of this candle, this high and low of this big green candle, we are able to close below this green candle. Okay, so the low of this green candle is also very important. So we have given a very good close below this low. Okay, so that means correction is 100% confirmed. So now if we are into correction zone, how to take trade on the basis of wave analysis, and how to, you know, hold your position. So again, we will go on to the hourly time frame. So what hourly time frame is suggesting that, you know, this I have marked it as 1, and this point is marked as 2, and this is 3. Now I'm expecting some retracement towards wave 4, and post that I'm expecting a downside towards wave 5. Okay, that's the, you know, wave counting what I can show you here, guys. Then if you see what is the retracement level of wave 2, wave 2 has retraced 78.6% level. Okay, so typically, you know, wave 2 retraces 78.6% level, almost 61.8% and 78.6% level are the most important levels for for wave 2 to get over. Okay, and that exactly it has reversed from 78.6% level. So now if we want to measure wave 3, let's use wave extension. So from this to point this. Okay, so clearly we can see that we have completed 1.618%. So generally, you know, if wave 3 is extended, so wave 3 is almost nearby around say 1.618% level. I'll just replot and check again. Yeah, exactly 1.618% level has been completed and it is getting over. So correctly we can mark it as wave 3 based on Fibonacci extension as well. We Bank Nifty is suggesting that wave 3 is over. Kind of, we can say that wave 3 is over. If we open gap down and go on, then we can say that wave 3 is getting extended, and it can touch you know, directly 2.618% odd levels as well, to 2.618 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, if we open gap down and start seeing selling pressure. But if we open flat, or if we open little bit gap up, we can say that, you know, we are going for a wave 4. Okay, for we are going towards a retracement. So if we get a retracement, what we know is we need to sell again. So we need to find the perfect level to sell as well, right? So we need to remove this extension. Now again, we need to find the level for wave 4. Okay, so on the basis of Fibonacci retracement, let's measure wave 3. Okay, and we know that if it is an impulse, and we can see that it's an impulse, so if wave 4 ends near 38.2% level, so that means this level is very important on the basis of Fibonacci and wave analysis. That means 40,200, 40,300 level is the very important level. If you get any kind of rejection on the basis of price action from 40,300, it would be the best ideal case, you know, to build short positions for a target of wave 5. Okay, so that's the view. Okay, so sell on rise structure till wave 5 doesn't get completed. Okay, so when this wave 5 would get completed, again, you know, I would go on and mark this as A. This would be A. Then again retracement would start from B, and C would get completed near this point. That would be around 38,000 level or 70 38,000 odd levels would be the best place uh, where bank nifty can correction can get over here. Okay, so I would mark it as wave A, and this would be of a higher degree. So if I want to mark this as a degree, I would mark it as primary. Okay, so when wave 5 will get over, then you can mark it as wave A. Okay, and then expecting a big retracement towards wave B. Again, it would go on and touch 40,000 levels. Okay, and then again it would come down for the wave C. This is the wave projection for bank nifty in coming days. Okay, so this is the view. So strictly sell on rise structure for both the indexes, nifty and bank nifty. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. And from now onwards, I will be doing also the live streaming as well. So I conduct live sessions as well on my Telegram channel. In the description, you can see that I mentioned my Telegram channel. So you can join my Telegram channel, where I consistently post updates about the trades which I take on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and then stocks as well, because I post wave analysis on stocks as well. So you can go on and join the channel and see the updates about the stocks as well. So, and every week around Saturday, I do live sessions for the channel. So now onwards, I will be doing live sessions on YouTube as well. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you.